in figure AB and CD are two diameters. Look at this figure now. AB and CD, they are the two diameters of the circle with the center O perpendicular to each other. That means this angle is 90 degree. They are making 90 degree with at the center. So OD is the diameter. OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. Here is another circle we have. This is O and D, diameter of the smaller circle. So then OA is equal to 7 centimeter from this one, 7 centimeter. That means radius of the bigger circle is 7 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. So area of this circle and these two segments, we have to find out the area. So this is 7 centimeter, then this diameter must be 7 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter and this must be 7 centimeter. So OA is 7 means, so given that OA is equal to 7, OA is equal to 7 centimeter, so that means OB will be 7 centimeter because radius, so OC is equal to 7 centimeter and also OD is also equal to 7 centimeter. You can find out the area of this circle, area of smaller circle with the diameter OD, is equal to pi r square. So 22 by 7. So pi value you can use anyone. 22 by 7. Radius here 7 by 2 whole square. So 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Simplify this one. 7 and 7 cancels. 2 1s are 2 11s are. So 11 7s are 77 by 2 centimeter square. This is the area of this smaller circle with the OD as a diameter. Now, how to find this area of these two shaded portion means you can do it in two different ways. You can find out the area of the segment. Also, you can another way find the area of this semicircle and subtract this triangle. So now you can find the area of the semicircle on AB. So you can find out area of semicircle on AB is equal to pi r square by 2. So pi value 22 by 7 into radius here, it is 7. So AB as the diameter means 7 square. So divided by 2. So now you can cancel this square with the 7 and 2 1s are 2 11s are 11 7s are 77 centimeter square. This is the area of this semicircle. We got the area of this semicircle 77 centimeter square. Now similarly let us find out the area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC is equal to your formula half into base into height, half into B into H. So 1 by 2 base I take it as AB and the altitude is OC because they are intersecting at right angles. So now you can substitute here 1 by 2, AB as 14 centimeter, OC as 7 centimeter, 2 1s are 2 7s are 7 7s are 49 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle. So now area of the shaded portion, you can write now area of shaded portion. Area of shaded region is equal to area of circle with the diameter, area of circle with the diameter. What is the diameter? It is OD, this circle. So you can write area of circle with the diameter OD plus area of semicircle, area of semicircle with AB diameter, AB as diameter minus area of triangle, minus area of triangle ABC. See what I have done here? First we added here area of this circle and area of this semicircle, that means AB as a diameter, then minus area of this triangle. So now we got this circle, it is 77 by 2. So area of this circle, it is 77 by 2 plus area of this semicircle we got, it is 77 minus area of the triangle as 49. So minus 49. So 77 by 2 plus 77 minus 49. 17 minus 9, it is 8. 6 minus 4, 2, 28. Take LCM as 2. 77 plus 16, 56. So now if you add this one, 13. So 8 plus 5, again 13. 133 by 2 centimeter square, or if you keep in mixed fraction, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 66 and a half centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded region. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeters square. Area of an equilateral triangle ABC. You can see this diagram. This triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. That means all these angles 60 degree. So these angles measure 60 degree. So then this area is given 17,320.5 centimeters square. With each vertex of the triangle as a center, a circle is drawn with the radius equal to half of the length of the side of a triangle. Whatever the length that BC, IB or AC is having, the radius of these circles is half of that length, half of the side. Find the area of the shaded region. You have to find out this area of the shaded region. Tell me how you can do this, how to find the area of the shaded region. What do you have to find out first?
So from the area of the triangle we can find the radius.
Find the area of the triangle.
We can find the radius.
You can find the side. Area of the triangle. Use area.
We have to find the BP.
Okay, good. If you
Then half of it will be the radius of the circle.
Very good. See now, they have not given to find out this area of this sector or this sector or any one of this sector. We need the radius. This is a sector, part of the circle. This is another sector. This is another sector. From the area of this triangle, if you subtract these three sectors, then you will get the area of the shaded portion. To get the area of the sectors, we need the radius. So how to find the radius? So you have to find out the side of the triangle ABC. So they have given area of ABC, area of triangle ABC. It is given, it is 17,320.5 centimeter square. It is in centimeter square. So use the formula for area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 a square by 4 is equal to 17,320.5. So a square will be equal to 17,320.5. Transfer 4 to the right side and the root 3 will come to the denominator. Now a square is equal to 17,320.5 into 4. Substitute the value of root 3, it is given. Root 3, 1.7320, 1.73205. See now, if you look at this numerator and denominator, we have the same numbers, digits, only the decimal point. So if I shift this decimal point towards right side by 5 digits, I must put 5 zeros in front of this. This decimal point should shift right side by 5 digits. So now 1.73205, 5 digits I am going to shift this side. So now 17320, 5 digits means 510000, including this 5. So 5 digits I have shifted right side, then the denominator will become whole number 173205. This into 4. Now you look at this, you can cancel. This is 1 and this is 1 followed by 4 zeros. Very easy to divide. So this is the reason they have given the same number here, root 3 and this number. Now this becomes 4,000. 4,000, that is nothing but a square. So a square is equal to 4,000. Okay, so a square is equal to 4,000. So then what is the square root of this one? A will be equal to square root 200 centimeter. A square is 4,000 means A will become 2,000. That is nothing but...
Sir, A square must be 40,000. 40,000.
40,000, huh? 40,000,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
5 zeros, no? Here I left 1 0, we have 4 zeros, therefore it becomes 40,000, right? Good. So now this is 200, 40,000. Odd number of zeros, square number should have, even number of zeros should be there. So therefore it is 40,000. AB is equal to 200, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, all are equal to 200 centimeter. Okay. So now, if that side
Radius is equal
then,
to
radius of each circle.
side by 2.
Okay, radius of each circle. Radius of each circle, it is equal to AB by 2. That is 200 by 2. It is 100 centimeter. So now, since it is 60 degree, you can find out this area of sector. So area of sector is equal to each sector. Area of, you can write area of each sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta here 60 degree, because it's an equilateral triangle making 60 degree, divided by 360 into pi value you have to use 3.14 because they are given. So use the radius, pi value as 3.14. It is given, therefore you can use 3.14 in place of pi into radius square, it is 100 square. Okay, so 100 into 100. You can cancel this one 0, 0, 6 on the 6, 6 are. So you are getting 3.14 into 10,000 divided by 6. So your answer it becomes, shift this decimal point right side because 4 zeros, 4 digits you can shift it. 1 4 followed by 2 zeros divided by 6. So this is centimeter square, area of each sector. Now you got the area of each sector means this much is the area. Now we have 3 sectors. From this area of this triangle, you have to subtract the area of 3 sectors. Area of shaded region is equal to area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of 3 times 3 into area of each sector. So they have given the area of the triangle in the question, that is 17,320.5. So you can write here 17,320.5 minus 3 times. So area of the sector we got, area of sector here this much, 31,400 divided by 6. 31,400 divided by 6 by 6. Cancel this one, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, again 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 2 sevens are, 0 0. 17,320.5 minus 15,700. So after division. Now subtract this, you will get the area of the triangle. This is the final answer. Now after subtraction, the answer will be 1620.5 centimeter square. So listen once again carefully here. You want to find out the area of the shaded region means they have given the equilateral triangle area. Using that area formula, you can find out the side of this triangle. So you got A square is equal to 40,000, A will be equal to 200. So that means these 3 sides measure 200 centimeter. Half of that one will be 100. So this length will be 100, this also 100. So all these radius of 3 circles, it is 100, 100, 100. Now you can find out the area of this part, this sector. Area of this sector. So that is theta by 360 into pi r square. It gives you 31,400 by 6 into 3 times you multiply area of triangle minus these 3 sectors. If you subtract, then you will get the area of the shaded portion. Look at this question now. On a square hand kerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 centimeter. So there is a circular design, the radius is 7 centimeter. Radius given, it is 7 centimeter. Find the area of the remaining portion of the hand kerchief. That means on a square hand kerchief, 9 circular designs. These are all design. This is one design, this is another design, so third design, like that. We have 9 designs, circular designs on this kerchief. So now you have to find out the remaining portion. What is that remaining portion which is left out? That is this area. So this area and here, so here everywhere, whatever the place that is left out, so that whatever I am showing here, that portion area you have to find out. Tell me how to find the area of this remaining portion of this kerchief after removing this design. How to find?
Area of square minus area of 9 circles.
Area of square we need to find out, but how to find the area of the square? Length is not given. How to find the length of this side?
3 times the diameter of one circle.
3 times the diameter of this circle. Okay. Diameter here 7 centimeter. So then this is also, sorry, what is the radius? It is 7. So diameter will become 14. So this diameter also 14. This also 14. So now it becomes 14 times 3 times 14 gives you the length of the side of a square. So length of each side of square is equal to 3 times diameter. So here 3 times diameter, here 14. You have to calculate because radius is given. You make it double. So radius is given, directly not given. Double that one, you will get the diameter. So 3 into 14. 42 centimeter is the diameter. That is the side. So area of square is equal to
42 square.
what is the answer? 42 into 42. What is the area? 1764 centimeter square. Okay. So area is equal to 1764 centimeter square. That is area of the square. Then area of 9 circles you have to find out. First let us find the area of each circle. So area of each circle, it is equal to pi r square. Pi value you can use 22 by 7. Since it is not given, you can use 22 by 7. Radius is given 7 centimeter, 7 square. So cancel this square. So you will get 22 into 7. 7 2s are 14. Then 154 centimeter square. So now 154 centimeter square is the area of one circle. So you have to find out the 9 times of that one. Or directly you can write area of remaining part. Remaining part of kerchief is equal to area of square
minus 9 into area of each circle.
9 times the area of circle. So now area of square we calculated, that is 1764 minus 9 into area of each circle, it is 154. So 1764 minus 36, 3, 48, 4, 9 plus 4, 13, 1386. So if you subtract this one, 14 minus 6, it is 8, 15 minus 8, it is 7, 6 minus 3, it is 3, 378 centimeter square. This is the area of the remaining portion of the kerchief. See, if you remove these designs from this total area, so there are 9 circular designs. Total area you calculate using side into side. Then area of circle into 9. Subtract this 9 circles from this kerchief. It gives you the remaining portion. Wherever that is empty place are there, no? At each place, then you will get that area. In figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle. OACB, this is OACB. This is a quadrant of a circle with center O. This is the center of the circle. So, and the radius 3.5 centimeter. So, this from here to OB, 3.5 centimeter. OB and OA. So, you can write OB is equal to OA, there the radius, it is 3.5 centimeter. And this OD is 2 centimeter. This length is 2 centimeter. So from here to here it is 3.5. From here to here it is 2 centimeter. Find the area of the quadrant OACB and then the shaded region area. First you need to find the area of this quadrant, then the shaded region area. So then quadrant means this must be 90 degree. Remember that one. 1/4 of the circle. Tell me how to find the area of the shaded region.
Segment of ABCD minus triangle PCD.
Okay, very easy. Area of sector, let us find out. Area of quadrant. Area of quadrant is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta here 90 degree divided by 360. Pi value it is given, use 3.14. So let us use 3.14 into radius here 3.5. 3.5 whole square. Okay, so 91s are 94s are. So now 3.14 into 3.5 into 3.5 divided by 4. Simplify and tell me what is the answer now. This 21 by 7 means here 21 by 7, 22 by 7 if you use. So this one if you use 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into 4. 7 ones are 7.5s are or 7. Okay. Correct. 5s are. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are. So 11 into 0.5 into 3.5 divided by 2. So if you divide this one, 2 ones are 2 5s are, 2 5s are. So 5.5 into 0.5 into 3.5. The product of these three numbers. And area of the quadrant will become 9.625. After multiplication, you will get 9.625 centimeter square, area of the quadrant. Now you can find out the area of this triangle now. So area of triangle OBD half into base into height. So area of triangle, let us find out area of triangle OBD. Area of triangle OBD is equal to half into B into H. So now half into base here 3.5, height here 2. You can see the diagram. Base here 3.5, height 2 centimeter. So therefore, you can write here 2 and 2 cancels. So you will get 3.5 centimeter square. Area of the triangle. Now area of shaded region is equal to area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle. So area of quadrant we got 9.625 minus area of triangle it is 3.5. Subtract this one 251 9 minus 3 6.125 centimeter square. That is the area of the shaded region. A square OABC. This is a square. You can see here one square is there, OABC. This is a square. Okay, the square is given. Inscribed in a quadrant. This is quadrant means this is 90 degree. Inscribed in a quadrant OBBQ. This is a quadrant of a circle. So OA is equal to 20 centimeter. That means this is 20. Then the side of this each will be 20. So now find the area of the shaded region. How to find the area of the shaded region? You know that it can be found out only by finding the area of sector minus area of square. That gives the area of shaded region. How to find the area of this quadrant? We do not know the radius. That if you tell, then you can do this question. If somebody tells how to find the radius of this quadrant, without that you cannot do.
We should use Pythagoras theorem and find OB.
Okay, good. So now join OB here. Join OB. So it is an hypotenuse of the triangle OAB. So you can write join OB. So in triangle OAB, OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. OA square you can write 20 square. Then this also 20 square. So 400 plus 400. You can write it is 800. OB square is equal to 800. So OB is equal to square root of 800. So it can be written as 20 root 2. So 800 can be written as 400 into 2. 400 you can take outside, it is 20. So root 2 will remain. So OB, that is the radius of the quadrant is equal to 20 root 2. So radius of quadrant is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. Now you can find out area of quadrant. So area of quadrant, it is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So quadrant 90 degree, 360 into, so they are told 3.14, use this 3.14, radius is equal to 20 root 2 whole square. Cancel this one, 4's are, so 3.14, 20 root 2 means it is 400 into 2 divided by 4. Cancel this one, 4 ones are 400s are. So now 100 into 3.14, 314 into 2. It gives you 628 centimeters square. This is the area of the quadrant. It is very easy. 20 root 2 gives you 400 into 2, that is 800, or 400, you divide this one with 400, 100 into 3.14, 314 into 2, it gives you 628 centimeters square. Now find the area of square now. The area of square is equal to, so L into L, side into side, because side is 20, 20 into 20, it is 400 centimeters square. You can see the diagram here. So this is 20 given, this is square area, 20 into 20 if you multiply, then you will get the area of this square. You got quadrant and the square. Find the shaded region now. Area of the shaded region is equal to, area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of square. So area of quadrant you got 628 minus area of square 400, it is 228 centimeters square. This is the area of the shaded portion. Read this, you have to tell me how to do this now. In given figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle. ABC is a quadrant of a circle. Which one? This portion. This is a quadrant of a circle. That means this angle is 90 degree. So completely, I am writing in white color line. This portion is quadrant of a circle. Of radius 14 centimeter. This is 14 centimeter. Then this is also 14 centimeter. And a semicircle is drawn with BC as a diameter. See, this is a semicircle with BC as a diameter. Okay. So find the area of the shaded region. Tell me how to do this. Anybody got idea? How to find the area of this red color shaded portion here?
Sir, first of all, we want to find the area of semicircle.
Then
we can find the area of the segment BC.
Segment BC. Okay.
And we can subtract the area of segment BC in the semicircle. And we will
Okay,
get the
okay,
shaded
fine,
area.
good. So we need to find the area of this segment here. From this semicircular region, if you subtract this segment, then you will get the area of the shaded portion. Okay, that is good. That is good. Or otherwise, area of semicircle, this is the area total you will get, minus quadrant. So then afterwards, this one, minus quadrant, if you do what it gives you, including this you are minusing. So then add this triangle ABC plus ABC triangle. Okay. So that if you subtract, you find out the quadrant area and then minus triangle, that gives the segment area. Okay, that's fine. That's enough. Directly you can do this. First let us find out the area of semicircle. How to find the area of circle? It is given only AB and BC we know. AB and AC. We need to find out BC by Pythagoras theorem. BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. So that is 14 square plus 14 square. So 196 plus 196, that is BC square. So BC square is equal to, so BC will be equal to 14 root 2. So it gives you 14 root 2 centimeter. That is the hypotenuse. This one we got 14 root 2. Now to find the area of semicircle we need the BC as a diameter. So radius of semicircle. Radius of semicircle is equal to 14 root 2 by 2. So that is 7 root 2 centimeter. So therefore area of semicircle is equal to half pi r square. So 1 by 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius square 7 root 2 whole square. So you can simplify this one. 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 root 2. What happens? It becomes 49 into 2. 7 root 2 whole square, 49 into 2. 2 and 2 you can cancel. 7 ones are 7 sevens are. So you are getting 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14, 154 centimeter square. That is the area of the semicircle, 154 cm. This area, including this segment and this shaded portion. Now, find out the area of this segment on BC. Area of this segment you can find out. Just find out the area of this quadrant minus area of triangle. So I will write here area of segment. First let us find out the area of quadrant. It is theta by 360 into pi r square. So 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into, what is the radius of this quadrant? 14. So 14 into 14, 14 square. 9 ones are, 9 fours are, 7 ones are, 7 twos are. So then 2 twos are, 2 11s are, then 2 ones are, 2 sevens are. So 11 into 7 into 2. So 22 into 7, 14, 15, 154 centimeter square again. So this is also 154 centimeter square. What is that? That is also 154. This semicircle also 150 square, then quadrant also is having 154 centimeter. Area of right angle triangle ABC. So let us find out area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height